If you've been trying to reduce the amount of plastic in your kitchen, especially around high heat cooking, this might be one of the most exciting kitchen finds I've discovered in a long time, because finding appliances that are both functional and feel safer and more non-toxic can honestly feel impossible sometimes. I was getting really tired of feeling like there was plastic everywhere in my kitchen and wondering what was happening when those appliances heated up over and over again. I wanted something that felt cleaner, safer, and better designed, but still easy to use daily. Then I found this Batomic 6-in-1 glass air fryer combo, and friends, I was immediately obsessed. Not only is it beautiful, but the cooking bowls are made out of glass, which made me feel so much better about cooking at high temperatures. And I made a chicken recipe in the first week that I got it, and every single bite disappeared in about 5 minutes flat. That's when I knew this thing was staying on my counter permanently. I'll share the recipe in just a minute. This air fryer combo includes the main 1500 watt air fryer unit, one 2.6 quart glass bowl, one 4.7 quart glass bowl, a non-toxic ceramic crisper tray, and an easy LED display with preset functions. The functions are roast, air fry, frozen, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. And one thing I really appreciate is that it's designed to minimize those strong plastic smells you sometimes notice with other air fryers during high heat cooking. The glass bowls make it so easy to see your food while it cooks too, which I weirdly love. And because the bowls are interchangeable, it works well for both quick meals and bigger family portions. The food honestly comes out so good. The chicken I made in this was juicy inside, crispy outside, and cooked evenly. And because it heats quickly, I use it constantly instead of turning on my giant oven for smaller meals. It's become one of those appliances that makes cooking feel easier and more enjoyable. And aesthetically, it's honestly gorgeous sitting on the counter. Now, if you're wondering whether glass is durable enough, it actually feels really thick and high quality. And while this is definitely more of an investment compared to basic air fryers, for me, the combination of glass cooking bowls, lower plastic design, versatility, and beautiful appearance made it completely worth it. If you've been looking for a safer feeling, more non-toxic air fryer option that's beautiful, functional, and genuinely enjoyable to cook with, I definitely recommend checking this out. Here's the recipe. You take 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and put them on paper towels to dry them off well. And then once they're dry, you put the seasoning mix on, which is 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Then you put on some good quality olive oil and smear that yummy seasoning on. Then you simply place in the air fryer in a single layer and air fry at 375 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then flip them and cook them for another 7 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're done when they measure 165 or over. And then you just let them rest for 5 minutes and enjoy.